Now that we are looking at the top bar more closely, let's break it down piece by piece. So we got the menus where you'll find options like file or saving, importing or exporting your project. You'll also find edit for preferences and settings, and render, which we'll use later to turn our scenes into images or videos. So let us do several changes to the settings before we start. We go to edit, and then we find preferences. You'll see this window open, and we go to find interface. Here is a selection called resolution scale. I found like everything is too small in this window, so I'm just to change it bigger to a proper size. Yeah, I'll just do it something similar to 1.3. And we are not changing a lot here today, but there's one more thing to do. We go to the left side and we find input. And we find there's a selection called emulate numpad. Another one down here called emulate 3-button mouse. We go to check these two boxes and I'll show what's the difference here to do. So first thing first, the numpad is the 1 to 0 keys as the numpad at the right side of your keyboard. But some keyboard does not have a numpad. So emulate numpad, what that does is the numbers at the top side of your keyboard, 1, 2, 3, da da da, that could do the same thing, the same shortcut functions as the right side one. And the emulate 3-button mouse is you can do some shortcuts that you prefer to do rather than just using the mid mouse button. So which means is some mouse does not have a mid mouse button or it is not too sensitive to use or something like that. We're just having some more shortcut selections when we check these two boxes. So for the numpad, we have the numbers on your keyboards at the top, and we can try to press 1 to change to the front view and 3 to the side view. 7 is a top view, and I'm just playing something around with that, and that is the shortcuts the numpad do. And the mouse, will explain more common shortcuts later, so no worries about that.